Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to create a picture with frost effect. So using the GIMP, so this is the original picture. So first you can click, then select the add alpha channel. So now picture is into alpha channel. So now I want to duplicate that picture. So now I want to go to the color, go to the century, then color to gray. So I want to make sure that the picture can go to black and white. So like this. So just wait for a while. So now the picture turned to black and white. So now I want to duplicate it again, because just no need to waste time on this century. So now I want to use this. So you can go to filter and go to GIMP. So this one I want to go to the artistic, then go to color pencil. So select OK. So it becomes like this lah. So I want this to be the crack, like so. Now I want to add the new layer. So I select this color to this blue. So you can use this blue 04XEF9. So select OK. Then select edit, fill with foreground. So then you select the mood, then go to soft light. So it becomes like this. So now I want to merge down this background. So then I want to add a layer mask. So select the black full transparent. Then it becomes like this. Then we select this. Then select this one, the half. Okay. So like this one. So you can see like the cracking. So now you can go to filter, then go to enhance, then select the sharpen. So maybe this, I go to only 5. This one also 5. So select OK. Then you see this. Go to brush. So maybe like this lah. So now I want to use this one. Then so now I want to use the go to filter, GIMP. So go to the dream small thing. So it will become like this. So just click OK. Then maybe like this one. Okay. So go to add layer mask. So select the blue one. Then edit, fill with foreground. So select the soft light. Become like this. Then merge down. So then add layer mask. So select the back full transparent. Then add. Then change to white. Then color this. I want to like this one, like frost. and so maybe become like this. So now we want to using the filter again. Go to GIMP, then go to brushify. So become like this one, then select OK. So then you can select the color, then go to level. So it may be I want the become like this one. So maybe become like this. Then go to filter, then go to GIMP again. Then select the wind. So is go to the deformation, then go to wind. So want to become the angle like 90 degrees. 90. Then the amplitude. Then this one. I want this. Just here the face will become the frost. So just select OK. So it become like this. So go to mode and select the screen. It become like this. So maybe use the erase to erase them. So now we want to, if you want, you can add the snow like this. So you can just add the layer mask, then select OK, then select the black color, then fill with foreground plane, fill with the color, then go to filter, then go to noise, and go to this SB noise. So now go to this 3, and then this one 180, and then this one like this. Okay, just select OK, then select filter, then select blur, then select the Guardian blur, then just select OK. Then you will see this, the label. You see the curve, like the curve. Then you just adjust this to this one, yeah, like this one. Okay, maybe like this one. Then select OK. Then you will see. Then select this mode to the screen. Then you will see like this. Then you go to the erase. Then select the size. So not like this one, because I just want this one will be snow. This one no snow. Then clear this side. This area I don't want the snow. Okay, and then just how you done with this picture like this. So this is the way how you create the frost effect with GIMP. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye.